Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are gonna be learning our first tutorial of JavaScript. Let's see how it works. Mastering JavaScript. On click, then देखिए this is the use of getElementById. So basically, here we are creating a function which tells this JavaScript on when someone clicks this button, a function would run and our JavaScript would change this text in this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just so in the HTML like that. So here we have created a simple function. Here, if anyone clicks on this button or on click of this button, a function would run, and this function is saying that document in this document get a element means this element which has the id this and which has the id and change its inner html. So if this is an element, this is an element, then its inner html is this. Okay, and changes inner html to this. Okay, let's see if it works. So first I'm gonna need to change it to 3 and this is how our web page. I know it's very ugly, but here we are to master web JavaScript, and by the time it reaches to you in the form of a tutorial, it would be a nice looking web page. Let's see. And if I click over here, this would change the page content and show me this. It will show this is what JavaScript could do. JavaScript upload. So earlier it was this is the use of getElementById. If I click on it, this is what JavaScript can do. So what we learned today, we learned about getElementById and how to use it. how to use it by creating a simple function, and by creating a simple function like my function. So, and this is the first way to do that, and the second way to do that is, wait a minute. So what we learned today about the getElementById, how to use it, and we could simply use it by creating a simple function like my function. Or the second way to use it is on click and this, and then our content like this was like this, and change its inner HTML to this. Well, by seeing that, if instead of doing all this work and changing all this function, and using this all this function, writing all this function, if we could directly use it in our code, this must be good, right? That we are directly able to use it as a code and without any others. The simple reason is that now currently we are using small functions like this, small things, so this could work. But after with that, when we have to do like this document, if I add another thing, that document dot get element by id this name dot class list dot, and so after this would be, if we add something, uh, so I'm not gonna add any class, but if we add more than one statements, then this might break. This on click method might break. That's why I told you guys first the function method. The function method always works. So function method is a bit tricky, but it always works, and it's good from developer perspective, so that you don't have to create multiple buttons and all. So otherwise, if you want, and sometimes this on click might also break. So my thing is that you guys use this my function, this type of functions only. That's my genuine request, and all from now is complete. So I also want to say you guys another thing. Like I made this, and I also made a website like this and using JavaScript and all. And I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, please subscribe to our channel and also like this video, and all this code would be made available to you guys to get.